Gihatod Franny Tulsida Sr. sa mga nagmahal nga pamilya ug katawhan ngadto sa katapusan niyang kapahuwayan didto sa San Carlos Memorial Park. Si Mr. Tulsidas mitaliwan ni adtong Hulyo 20, 2013 didto sa Dakpayan sa Cebu sa pangidaron nga 68. Ang mga higala ni Franny mihandom sa ilang mga kasinatian sa pagkatawo ni City Administrator Franny. Sama kanila ni Eddie Lazaga, ang Kani City Civil Registrar Edgardo Lopez, Engineer Wardito Tahanlangi, Romel Tasik sa Fukuno, ug bag-ong konsihal nga si Honorable Clem S. Mansueto, Kiwanis ug LGU.
Anything that in life, it is not where you go, but it's who you trust in me. I have a good privilege of trusting in Franny in my journey to politics and in my personal life. I know that most of us will say the same thing about him. And so to give honor to this one who has touched our lives in many ways, let us keep his memory alive by following the different directives that he has taught us. Let us not allow Franny to melt into anonymity. Instead, let us remember him. As someone walking in this hall, quietly observing and guiding us, we hope to live up to your expectations, Franny. We hope to emulate your dedication to public service. The philosopher Carl Gustav Jung once said, "The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are." May we learn from Franny as he became what God really wanted him to be. A faithful servant to the people of San Carlos and a faithful servant of the Lord. Farewell, Franny. It was an honor to be your colleague and more significantly, your true friend. Thank you, and I hope to see you again in 27 years. Thank you.
It's funny because Mr. Tulsidas was a man of San Carlos. But right at this moment, San Carlos has now become Francisco Tulsidas City. It's amazing what it has done to our lives. So I want you all to look around at everyone here, this room, there behind. And I want you all to stand and appreciate each other. Because if you don't understand that is something in common, that would be a kind of effect that my Lord has done upon us. And also, we have also served as a big factor of the kind of greatness that He has actually given here in the service.
Actually, you're not people practicing at all. I grew up loving music because of you. And I remember you would always smell of Bumaya. It's put in your hair. So whenever I smell like 18 comprehension, I always think of you.
Is to be honest. Honesty is true. We think people do nothing that only our lives. I am proud of all here from service to the government. We have fearlessly up regardless of your situation. You are an inspiration to me, to others. Your dedication to work was very much impressive. Even in times that you were sick and tired, you really made sure that everything was taken care of. You were the one of the noble men in this beautiful city of San Carlos. I am blessed that you are my daddy.
Noong Friday, noong isang ilan ng usalang pagkakumplima, kahit pa'y kasakit, siya niya po ng aduan o sumbungan sa darat. Si Mario Pari, noong bayan sa ulos ng yasan sa among pamilya. Usap, sa uma sa iyang pagpatrabaho, tumulagin isa ko niya siya nagkahalang taas ka mga posisyon, kalagod ka mga tao, ordinaryo ka mga tao, kapag siya handang tagana, lumusir sa iyang pinalaman o pagdigan sa tanang katawan.
So, ito na po sila, dito ba? Pagkaon, magsihan siya. Parang niya, uy, dito, natuwa naman sa binasa, di ka magkasi, mapangungit naman ka. Oo, one bottle of beer, salutin mo, rehearse of your city. You have to take care of yourself, because our health is very important to us. So, ikaw na nila, ikaw na pa sa jail, ikaw na niya na gusto. During time, ikaw na jail. So, ikaw na ang describing that's one thing that
so many roles in his life as a husband, a father. He instilled in us the values of honesty and hard work. He taught us to be very strong at all times, to face our fears, and never give up, as long as para sa mo ang maayong kaupahan. Our dad, as he shared to us his dreams for his family, he often shared to us his dreams for the people surrounding him. In quite a number of times during a conversation, he nagsibutan dati ang iyang mga pahandoy sa maayong kaugmaon sa mga tao sa siyudad sa San Carlos.
Si Mr. Tulsidas nagsilbi sa dakbayan sa San Carlos bilang miyembro sa Sangguniang Panglungsod ni adtong Marso 3, 1980 hangtod Hulyo 1, 1991. Siya natudlong City Vice Mayor ni adtong Mayo 16, 1992 hangtod Hunyo 30, 1992 sa nabakanting posisyon tungod kay si City Vice Mayor Elmero Layumas nagpapili man pagka-provincial board member ug nimbalik pagka-konsehal sa syudad ni adtong Hulyo 1, 1992 hangtod Hunyo 30, 1998. Siya nahimong project manager sa City Mayor's Office ni adtong Hulyo 1, 1998 hangtod Disyembre 15, 1999 ug natudlong budget officer ni adtong Disyembre 16, 1999 hangtod Enero 5, 2004 og ninghupot nga posisyon bilang City Administrator ni adtong Enero 16, 2004 hangtod Hunyo 29, 2013. Si Franny naminyo kang Carbing Parana Tulsidas og gihatagan og 5 ka anak nga sila si Mary Ann, Frances, Serge, Pems og Melot. Gihatagan og hustong pagtahod si Mr. Tulsidas pinaagi sa gun salute paghatag sa bandila ngadto sa anak